We are in the final day of Fyuz.
Yep.
I'm here with Vishal Mathur from Telecom Infra Project and TIP Academy. So, Vish, tell us about what is TIP Academy?
TIP Academy is a service that Telecom Infra Project launched in conjunction with Accenture in May this year. And effectively, it's based on the fact that 90% of our membership came to us and said, there's a gap in the market. There needs to be much more broader industry, vendor-neutral training opportunity for engineers out there in the market who are trying to understand what open and disaggregated network solutions are. So we ran a proof of concept, in fact, last year, and more than 70% of those who attended a course said this is exactly what is needed in the industry. It's vendor neutral, it's not just based on theory, it's based upon practical-based learning of what needs to be done in terms of design, development, architecture, testing, integration, and deployment of Open RAN. So what we launched in May was an Open RAN curriculum. We now have 7 e-learning modules, which are around 35 to 40 hours worth of content. And what we're doing with that is basically taking it to market. So TIP Academy is actually a paid for B2B service at the moment. So we're offering it to corporates who have training curricula. And we're trying to offer it as a complement to existing education agendas out there or other academies. Because it's vendor neutral and industry led, it's designed by the industry for the industry. Already we have 5 customers on TIP Academy: Vodafone, Accenture, Meta, Orange, Deutsche Telecom, and we're already taking it out to other mobile operators, web scalers, vendors, system integrators, who all want to have grassroots education and training, skills development for their engineers, their business analysts, their consultants in their organizations. So that's the first point. The second point actually is that it's not just been developed by Vodafone, Meta, TIP, and Accenture. We already have 8 other companies that have come on board and offered their content and a way to show visibility of the solutions that are available in the market. As we move forward, we'll get more. And as we get more contributors to TIP Academy, we'll start to go even more in depth. Because what you're finding is that there might be a RAN engineer who doesn't understand Open RAN and gets the fundamentals from TIP Academy at the associate level, but there'll be more skilled experts and solution architects who actually need classroom-based training from vendors and system integrators who've actually done it already. So TIP Academy becomes that framework and the foundation for that. What we're also going to do is not just take it to enterprises or corporates that are trying to drive deployment of this. We're actually looking to take it to 2 other sort of market segments. Universities is one, and the second is the job seeker market as a whole. So when you think of universities, you have undergrad and postgrad and students in the engineering schools who basically want to see what the latest innovation is. And in fact, how do they get a job in the companies that are offering the opportunities that need to be filled, right? So we're already talking to a number of universities around the world and designing a program. It's called a mentored program, which will be focused around giving the fundamentals, then doing some practical-based learning, and then actually trying it out themselves, like in a hackathon methodology. So what you're driving is software development capabilities for AI, ML development. You're driving capabilities around test automation. These are the necessary things that we need in the industry right now. So we're filling the skills that are necessary in organizations. On the B2C or the job seeker market, there are a number of people who are looking to reskill or actually increase their skill base. So effectively, this becomes a great opportunity for us to bring it out to, recruitment agencies or training agencies, or actually directly to individuals who just want to take on a master's program. So there are different ways of packaging content. That's what I'm saying to you, Zaid. It comes at a price, so there are specific packages that are going to be offered in TIP Academy. But what I suggest is actually, if you want to hear more, go to www.tip.academy.
Brilliant. That's a very comprehensive answer. So, Vish, thanks for speaking to us. I hope you have great rest of the event.
Thank you. Thanks, Zahid.